Good morning and salutations, y'all. Today we got a Zildjian, a custom China 18-inch, and as you can tell, there's a crack right here all the way into the groove. So let's see how that sounds. Alright, if you can tell by the crack damage right around here, it's holding in all the sound of the cymbal. So what's that doing? It's not letting the cymbal speak for itself. So let's repair this baby up. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian, a custom 18-inch China, and as you can tell, the crack has been smoothed out, is as smooth as butter. So let's give it a little sound test. Alright, now you can tell it sings a little bit more. That sounds like a China to me.